So guys, laruin natin tong revealing my inner cat. Ang hirap na nito guys. Tara, simulan natin. Let's go. My gosh. My gosh. Tama ko guys. 1 point na ako. Sige, next. So ito guys, next na. 1 point na ako guys. Nanalo ako guys. Oy, hindi na ako na. So guys, ito na. Oh my gosh. For sure, hindi na ito na. So guys, balik na naman. Ay. Hirap talaga niya guys. Let's go. Wala. Try one. Bakit foxing equal? Let's go. Revealing my inner cat. That's swerte. Ay naman, ulit. Ulit guys. Wala talaga guys.